5 years old or 6 years old when I did my first commercial. I did that. That was Tibet toothpaste with Humayun Saeed.
The no issue, lelo tissue line. How did you think about that?
Somehow it leaked before airing. 5-6 घंटे पहले it leaked on WhatsApp. And it got viral before the release.
You worked with Asadul Haq. Was it a nightmare or was it a masterclass?
It was both actually, because he wasn't easy on me. Nightmare in terms of as well, and then masterclass as well. It's what made me.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to What's Up with Very Filmy. Who am I? I am the producer of this show. My name is Manahil. Once again, welcome to What's Up with Very Filmy. Assalamu alaikum Hassan, क्या हाल है?
Hi.
Very formal introduction I gave.
I got goosebumps you getting doing the interview, so it's so good.
Very funny.
Yeah.
Okay, Hassan, I've known you since we were 14, 15 maybe.
You were 13, I was 14.
Exactly.
Yes.
I was 13, you were 14.
Yes.
So I would really want to know, I never asked you personally भी कभी दोस्ती में भी कभी पूछा नहीं कि how did you enter this field that you are in right now? I'm very curious.
Oh, it's such a long story though. So I was actually I don't know, I think 5 years old or 6 years old when I did my first commercial.
Yes, you have been a child star.
Yeah. So I did that. That was Tibet toothpaste with Humayun Saeed. So I did that, and then uske baad jo tha, it was just I kept doing it. And then when we met in school for the first time, उस टाइम पे I think it was the very famous ad which I did was a Cadbury 5-star.
अच्छा, थोड़ा सा मुझे और ज़रा प्रोफेशनली चीज़ें अपनी बताओ. You worked with Asadul Haq.
Yes.
Was it, sorry, let me finish my question. Was
Yeah,
it a
please.
nightmare or was it a masterclass?
All right. So Asadul Haq has taught me everything which I know, the basics of advertising, and I would say he's still the king of advertising as a director who has made the industry, and who's people who are working. A lot of people who are there and is on the fact of what he has made. Obviously, there were more people as well, but he's one of the pioneers, I would say, who has done that. So I'm lucky enough. I worked with him earlier stage, and then my basics got formed from him. It was what was the question you were asking? Was it a nightmare or was it
A masterclass.
a master? It was both actually, because he wasn't easy on me. And probably he could see it as well, and that's why he never gave me a easy route. I would say now I understand, because what he was going through back in the days, because when you're somewhere or at the top, there are a lot of people trying to pull you down. So it was for him, it was his peak era, and then I was there, and he was training me, and then it was nightmare in terms of as well, and then masterclass as well.
I
But
think
it's what made me.
that's what I was coming to, कि ऐसे ही जो लोग होते हैं जिन्होंने इंडस्ट्री में मेहनत से कुछ बने होते हैं, जिनका नाम होता है, वो इसीलिए मशहूर होते हैं.
You know what good thing he taught me though? The good thing he taught me was, do not run after the money. Money would come after you if you're good at what you do.
If you run after, yeah, that's excellence के पीछे भागो.
So because I wasn't paid for 6 months when I was working over there. Then I was paid for another 6 months, 5,000 rupees a month. Then I was paid for 1 year, 15,000 rupees.
This is when you were
Working with him as a AD,
as
as an
an AD.
internee. So I
Yeah,
was an
you were very
internee,
young,
second AD,
18,
first
19
AD.
के थे जब तुमने
Yeah.
शुरू
I was
किया था.
18 years old when I joined him as an internee. Good thing which was that even I was asking money, or I wasn't used to ask money. Also, I wanted to learn. So whatever he wasn't paying me, I was good. Then I was like, one day I was like, wait, it's been 6 months. I'm not getting paid anything. I'm coming every day. I should be paid. Then he said, he started to give me 5,000 rupees a month. Then I was like, chalo, theek hai, koi masla nahi hai.
उस जमाने में 5,000 भी
No,
होते
it
थे
was
भाई.
nothing. It was peanuts. But I wasn't after money. I was after to
Obviously, you were running after excellence to learn something.
हाँ, I loved I still love what I do, and that's is very important for anybody. What they're doing in life is to love what they're doing. Otherwise, there's no point.
Yeah, true.
Because I tell the younger ones, you know, if you love what you're doing, you will suffer in it, but you'll love it. You will have your good days
Passion
also, but
बना
you
लो
like
ना उसको अपना.
yeah. It's
Yeah.
like you would hate it also,
Yeah.
but you would love it.
Yeah.
मतलब it's like keeps going
अच्छा,
like
एक
that.
बहुत फेमस लाइन है जो काफ़ी सारे हम एज ग्रुप के और ओल्डर एज ग्रुप के लोग रिलेट कर सकते हैं, दैट्स द नो इशू ले लो टिशू लाइन.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah,
How
yeah.
did you think about that? Because आज भी it's very popular and वो I remember हमारे जो I don't want to take their name, जो दूसरे बॉर्डर के उस पार जो
Yeah, yeah,
लोग
nahi.
हैं,
So what happened was that they made something. Mocha Mocha was
वही मैं
there.
कह रही थी कि उन्होंने एक
Y-
बनाया था
So they
अपना.
made that, and then so Ayman Salim was the creative on it who
Okay.
came up with this, because every concept also there's a great agency behind and there's great creatives behind, and then comes the director who takes the spotlight, I think. But it was a really good concept which they came up to me, and I think the trickiest bit was to show it in a humor manner also, but in a cool manner as well, that don't mess with us. So that's why it excelled towards what I was doing.
I think it
uh,
worked very well with the audience.
no, it's so funny thing, I'll tell you. Somehow it leaked before airing, and then we got so मतलब match भी जीते नहीं थे हम, और कोई 5-6 घंटे पहले it leaked on WhatsApp somehow, and it got viral before the official release, and then we were just finding out how it leaked out, where did it leaked out from. So later on I think it was leaked out probably from channels का ही कुछ था, जब वो WhatsApp फाइल जाती है, छोटी सी एक फाइल जाती है
That
कि
is
जी
interesting.
बड़ी है, तो किसी ने वो कोई एक्साइटेड हो गया होगा, जिसने बोला होगा सबको, किसी ने दिखाना शुरू किया, पर वो दिखाने दिखाने में रिलीज से पहले वायरल हो गया, एंड देन इट्स ऑन विकीपीडिया आल्सो नाउ, व्हिच इज अ वेरी कूल थिंग, एंड आई थिंक माय एवरीबडी टीम इन द टीम डिड अ ग्रेट जॉब ऑन दैट.
अच्छा, तो I want to know industry से related because see, when you and I sit together,
Yeah.
we discuss issues at a much deeper level.
Yeah, of
ठीक है?
course.
These conversations I don't have with a lot of people. ठीक है? तो when you are a part of this industry, मिसाल के तौर पे जब तुम कुछ शूट कर रहे होते हो या जब तुम कोई कैंपेन कर रहे होते हो, तो तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा क्या मुश्किलें, what do you face in terms of industry wise? Tell me regarding the people, regarding the work, things that you would hope कि वो बेहतर हो जाएं, लेकिन वो
I think the first thing which I want nowadays, which I say it also, is a hypocrisy. People have become too much hypocrites now. मतलब मुंह पे कुछ और हैं, पीछे कुछ और हैं. Very less integrity now. Incompetent people have taken over the industry, which is becoming a spiral towards. So I keep laughing when the incompetent people are hiring also.
which brings
So
me to another question
yeah,
related to this. मेरिट की जब हम बात करते हैं
yeah,
और मीडियोक्रिटी की जब बात करते हैं,
yeah.
दोनों चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा, मीडियोक्रिटी की पहले बात करते हैं, प्रिवेलेंट नहीं हो गई है एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द फैक्ट कि एवरीथिंग मीडियोकर इज
Yeah,
सेलिब्रेटेड.
yeah. It's like, see the problem, which is I'll tell you, mediocre people are in the industry, right? No, so it's very simple. Advertising is all about vision. ठीक है. इट्स आई से कि जी, लोग कहते हैं कि जी बजट नहीं है, बजट नहीं है, बजट का कोई लेना देना नहीं है विजन से. ठीक है, बजट इज देयर, इट्स जस्ट दैट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू सेल इट.
या
If you know how to sell it, if you're a visionary, brand would get it, brand would pay you. The problem, which is the people who have taken over the industry slowly in 10 years or whatever, I've grown up in the industry, I know how people have taken over. Here when I was working also, how you said Asadullah also, so they were all visionaries. Ahmed Kapadia is everybody. I've grown up with such people. They were all visionaries. I grew up with. That's why maybe my work says that
या
where I am, because I was with such people.
या
That has disappeared now. It that needs to be fixed, which I don't know how it would, but eventually maybe कोई भी time ज़्यादा नहीं रहता.
क्रिकेट चल रहा है आजकल,
हाँ.
ठीक है? दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई जस्ट हैपन टू ऑब्जर्व लास्ट नाइट. एड्स आते हैं बीच में, तुम्हें याद है अभी के अभी एड्स क्या चल रहे हैं? हम बिल्कुल डिरेल हो रहे हैं अपनी कॉन्वर्सेशन से, लेकिन
AI भी चल रहा है आजकल तो ऐड में.
व्हाट इज दैट? आई एम जस्ट लाइक, ये इस तरीके के एड प्ले हो रहे हैं
I
और
was talking to someone today, and I was saying you need to understand your nation, कि आपकी नेशन की थिंकिंग प्रोसेस क्या है. यहाँ पे एड्स बन रहे होते हैं जी कि क्लाइंट की थिंकिंग प्रोसेस क्या है. It's so it doesn't make sense to me that if you have a brand, understand कि जी what your target audience is, what your audience want, and how at the moment is the humor, or what they like, and how they want to be listened or heard. They would listen to you or hear you. Right now, if I see agencies, creatives, and I know everybody is trying to earn and take money home. That's fine also. It's good. I understand that bit for everybody. But the fact which is, don't understand the client. Now client needs to understand also, okay, you need to understand how your audience would hear it. Make concepts for them, not for a certain client, how he wants it or she wants it, or maybe agency wants it, or maybe they all just एक लूप होल बन जाता है. आई कॉल इट द पेंडोरा बॉक्स, कि वो उसमें ना घूमना शुरू हो जाते हैं और पता नहीं फिर एंड में आके बस कुछ भी बना लेते हैं.
हाँ.
But I really feel कि it's changing rapidly with the digital era.
For the better or for worse?
No, the listening is very different now for the audience. It's not to how we are making ads. It's changing. Again, the competitor countries, they have understood now recently, which I'm seeing कि how the audience needs to hear it, and they're doing it very cool way.
Hassan Davar himself on set, is he a dictator or is he a collaborator?
I think there's a very misconception to how things are. We are very far behind to Hollywood, Bollywood, Tollywood, whatever they are. The visuals, and I'm not being cocky, the visuals I've created till now since few years, it's been क्या कहते हैं, been peaking towards to what our threshold is, right? So if you have a vision and you want to take out from 150 people, there's minimum 150 people on set where you have to tell them and say कि जी आपने ऐसे निकालना है. And I keep seeing people also okay, but that's fine if they're copying me since years, and that's fine, because the fact which is, because when I go on set, I'm pushing the boundaries which has never been done before. So it's not dictatorship, it's just on the fact of it needs to be like that. Because see, I've been in the industry since so long, I have experience. It comes out to somebody who has been there since 3 years, तो उसको लगता है डिक्टेटरशिप है. डिक्टेटरशिप नहीं होती. मैं 20 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ,
नहीं,
and I've
वैसे
worked
ऐसी
with
कोई ये this is just a very random
yeah,
question,
yeah.
but ऐसी कोई है? Is there a noise about this that Hassan
Is a
set
dictator?
पे
I thought
set
that's
पे
why
ऐसे
you were
होता है?
asking.
No,
No. Acha, no. I don't know. People say I'm
that's why I'm asking.
uh,
तो वो डिक्टेटर बनना तो नहीं हुआ ना यार, वो तो सिखाना हुआ फिर.
it's not even सिखाना, it's about getting the job done.
इंडस्ट्री में फेवरेटिज्म का क्या है? मिथ है कि सच है?
Oh, it's a very interesting question though. What do you mean by favoritism?
मिसाल के तौर पे XYZ कैंपेन है और वो किसी को जाना है, ठीक है? किसी और की रिश्तेदारी निकल आई या किसी और की दोस्ती यारी हो गई, तो आपने वो जिसको जो रेलेवेंट एजेंसी है या बंदा है, जिसको देना चाहिए, जो डिज़र्व करता है, उसको नहीं दिया आपने उठा के किसी और को दे दिया, क्योंकि दोस्त हैं यार.
No, it's not even dosti now.
What will you call it?
I've been very fortunate enough with the clients I've worked with, agencies which I've worked with. They solely came to what it was required, and I was working. All my ads which I've done were not on anything. They were just wanted to make good content. But nowadays, which I see is it has become more on कि जी इसको hire कर लेते हैं, उसको hire कर लेते हैं कि पैसे कहाँ से बचेंगे ज़्यादा. So it's one more money oriented now than vision oriented.
Okay.
So that's favoritism. अगर उसको कह लें तो favoritism ऐसे हो रहा है कि भाई जी
हाँ,
इससे पैसे बचेंगे, इसको hire कर लो.
सही है, सस्ता
तो
है
और
ये.
ये we would feel king or queen taking or hiring him at night. That is also a thing now.
Really?
Yeah, it's a thing now.
What does that mean?
It's like you feel superior while you're sleeping at night with little seat you have.
समझ ही नहीं आ रही बात मेरे.
Exactly.
बताओ ना, explain करो. I want
How
to
do
know.
I explain this?
Like,
You had some power.
yeah.
ठीक है, you don't want to hire somebody who's superior.
Okay.
That's just not superior, who's more experienced.
Okay.
You want to hire somebody who's inferior to you, but he or she would make you feel superior. So that's why you would hire them also. Then, to be really honest, so every time as visuals I was talking about also, it's on the fact of कि जी, if Hollywood was doing it, we can do it too. So that's what I've been doing since so many years, that I have been pushing the visuals so much that I know where the capability has stopped. I got to know that in 2022, when I did Zalmi in 2022, that was the threshold of our industry.
That
I
was
can't
great.
push.
That was, I
Yeah,
think
I
it
can't
was
push
it was
more
amazing.
than that.
I felt so proud of you after that video, and I was plastering that video all over. This is my friend Hassan Davar. इतनी क्यों, ये नहीं था कि दोस्त ने किया है, ये था कि काम बहुत अच्छा है.
No, it changed everything.
काम बहुत अच्छा है.
It changed the fact of how visuals are now in
Yeah.
the industry being
Yeah, I agree.
made. They
I agree.
had something to
अच्छा, अभी
compete
जो
with.
तुमने recently जल्मी की एक और वीडियो की थी,
Yeah,
उसमें
I made a short film this year.
थोड़ी सी एक अगर कंट्रोवर्सी आई थी उसमें, अगर तुमने ट्रोल्स पढ़े
Oof.
हों,
Babar
याद है?
Azam ka poster.
the L the
Yeah. So what happened was those
yeah
posters,
those
वो पिछले
posters.
साल भी थे, वो दूसरों के ऊपर भी थे वैसे,
Okay.
इस साल भी थे, वो साइम पे भी वैसे ही थे पीछे. It's a normal thing which you do के to do that, but it's just Babar's time is just such के till now.
Hmm.
When you go such big star, these things come in.
Yeah, of course.
It's not something which would not. He's such a big star now, and then all over the world as well. His downfall is there. There's this thing which I learned in life, which is very cool, and I learned it from F1. Max Verstappen was winning for since 3 years, 4 years.
Yeah.
ठीक है, अब वो जीत रहा है. Everybody loved him. For 3 years he was winning consistent सारा. फिर उसके बाद जब वो चौथे तीसरे साल में जब वो 24 रेस 22 रेस जीता, everybody started to hate him. There's this thing about human nature that when somebody is winning too much also, they start hating him.
Yeah.
So that that Zalmi, the poster, the L thing, he was doing so good. Everybody started to bring him down.
Yeah.
And
I
then
know.
that was inevitable. You couldn't do anything about it.
अच्छा, कौन सी चीज़ पे ज़्यादा कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करना पड़ता है? अ परफेक्ट रिलेशनशिप और अ परफेक्ट शूट?
Depends if you're a giver or taker.
What are you?
I'm a giver. So it's like I'm always giving to my work, to my relationship, or you know how it's always been giving. So I don't think I can compromise. It's just I never compromise on anything. It's just all out, all me in everything in life. Whether it's work, whether it's personal life, whether it's friends, they call me and I'm here.
I know.
So yeah.
चलो, moving on to the next segment. Just one word answers that you'll have to give more. It's like a rapid fire. Most
Quickly.
overrated
Quickly like this.
most overrated celebrity you worked with.
Most overrated celebrity I've worked with.
Yeah.
That's such a controversial answer. You answer.
Just answer it.
No, I can't say that. No.
यार क्या है
No, it's
यार?
not good
अच्छा
for them.
सही है,
right?
फाइन.
Yeah.
अंडररेटेड
Yeah.
टैलेंट बता दो इंडस्ट्री का.
Underrated.
जी, अंडररेटेड.
It's everybody these days. Everybody's not being utilized. How we just talk little bit. I mean, किसको मैं बोलूँगे बेचारा? Everybody's trying these days.
नो, तुम ऑन स्क्रीन एक्टर्स का बता दो चलो.
On-screen actor
हाँ,
who's
मतलब इसको
underrated, who's not doing good.
who's not able to do good. Maybe somebody you know personally could be that.
Can't come up with any name right
नहीं
now.
बताएगा, ये नहीं बताएगा.
No.
हम
No, I can't. Actually, I can't. If you even ask me my favorite movie right now, I can't. It's
Interstellar.
like Interstellar is one of the favorite movies, but it's just I can't instantly ये वाला
Yeah,
चीज़ें,
it's fine. I can be in the same boat sometimes.
Yeah.
Spotlight पे अगर
हाँ,
डालो, समझ
हाँ,
नहीं आती.
हाँ.
कौन ज़्यादा डिमांडिंग है सेट पर, मायरा खान और हानिया आमिर?
What kind of demanding you're talking about? What is demanding?
Don't bounce the question back
No,
at
it's
me.
not. No, it's
It's
like
for
demanding.
you.
What is demanding?
भाई diva mindset होता है एक.
हाँ,
This, that, no, yes, no. Who is that?
both are not.
Both are not.
No,
Sure,
both are not.
we've heard something
Once they're
else.
on, once they're on set, at least with me, they're not. With others, I don't know.
Okay. Pepsi Black ad versus Zalmi Anthem. Your personal high.
What's a good one? So Pepsi Black is the one ad which started my career.
Jumpstart दिया था.
Yeah. Pepsi Black की वजह से मुझे ज़ल्मी मिला था.
Okay.
So Pepsi Black अगर नहीं होता तो मुझे ज़ल्मी नहीं मिलता. Because they saw Pepsi Black and they were like, we want this feel. And there's a whole controversial story also who people who tried not to take me, which everyone keeps trying
Must
कि
have
जी
tried.
हसान को ना लें हम किसी और को लें. But Zalmi was like कि नहीं, we want this guy.
Good, that's great.
And that's how it
लिखा हुआ
happened.
था.
Yeah. It's like because वही वाली बात है ना, अभी जो हम पहले बात कर रहे थे कि हर कोई
हाँ.
अपने आप को फिट करना करता है.
That's true. Most annoying things that clients do on set. Client, yeah, for you, brand side.
ये डार्क लग रहा है.
छोटा कर दें, बड़ा कर
हाँ,
दें.
नहीं डार्क लग रहा है, इसकी
अच्छा.
लाइट थोड़ी सी बढ़ा दें. So वो
It's funny
post
how when before you walked in, this was the conversation going on because lighting was not looking good on me, and I was like, इसको थोड़ा bright कर दें.
वो हो जाता है, पोस्ट पे हो जाता है. So what DPs do is कि वो उस पे एक्सपोजर पे सेट करते हैं and then grade पे you can do it up.
Biggest red flag you've noticed in some of our celebrities?
Biggest red flags in celebrities. Such a
सी I'll give you a little background.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
बॉलीवुड में जो सेलिब्रिटीज हैं ना वो पूरी दुनिया में मशहूर हैं कि दे आर वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ. ठीक है, चाहे वो बड़ा स्टार हो या वो छोटा हो. And this is some very first hand experiences. But when you talk about the same with our industry, ऐसा नहीं होता. Do you think that?
Actually, I'm the biggest star when I'm on set.
I agree.
So
I
they nobody can or do.
सही है भाई, सही है.
So
Fine.
हाँ.
Photogenic but zero talent celebrity. खूबसूरत है या हैंडसम है
सारे
लेकिन
क्वेश्चन ऐसे निकाले हैं ना, मतलब कि उसके मैं कैसे जवाब
तो
दूं.
कुछ तो दो ना
बेचारे
यार.
मतलब जिनका
I
नाम मैं ले
need
लूं
to,
उनके करियर का अफेक्ट पड़ जाए ना सारा, मतलब
हम
बेचारों
उनको
को
फोन
काम
करके
ना
बोल
मिले.
देंगे कि
हाँ,
स्टंट चाहिए.
उनको काम ना मिले, उन बेचारों को वो दिल पे लेके बैठ जाएं, या फिर वो बेचारे बोलें कि नहीं मैं बाकी
मे
मैं
बी
ऐसा
वो उसको
लगता था या
क्रिटिक की
लगती
तरह
हूँ
लेंगे
कि
और
एंड आई एम सो इट्स लाइक फॉर मी द पर्सन आई एम ना, कि यार सबको काम मिले, सब काम करें,
अच्छा कोई
एवरीबॉडी.
ऐसे इंसान के बारे में बता दो जो इंडस्ट्री में पसंद है और तुम चाहते हो कि वो आगे बढ़े और चाहते हो कि वो मेहनत करे आगे.
मेहनत करे आगे. आई थिंक द पीपल आई टुक इन शॉर्ट फिल्म, जल्मी की शॉर्ट फिल्म में there was Wajid, there was Bilal.
ओके.
These kids, they're young, they're in their early 20s, and I wish
Eager and full of
Altamash,
ambition. Okay.
Altamash the singer, who I think these guys are really good, and I wish okay, they get much more work. Somehow it's like वही वाली बात है, they being wasted, they're not getting utilized like that.
Hmm.
So yeah, I would wish for them to do well.
If you had to direct one blockbuster film,
Yeah,
फवाद, हुमायूं, बिलाल अब्बास एज लीड,
yeah.
किसको करते चूज? इनके अपार्ट भी अगर कोई है तो बताओ.
Doesn't matter what the script. It depends on the script though.
I don't know what you would like to.
So it's a script. Yeah, I feel ke even whatever movie which I want to make, none of them though. So so they wouldn't so the movie, the genre which I will be making inshallah, it's none of them.
वैसे ऑफ सेगमेंट बात कर रही हूँ, कोई
Yeah.
मूवी बनाने का कोई
Yeah,
इरादा
yeah,
है?
yeah. It's there. I have written 3 films, and it's just the matter of fact कि when it's written and when it's there's a flow, हवा का झोंका वो शुरू हो गया वहाँ पे ले जाना मुझे. I've got 3 films ready.
That is exciting.
No, I would make it. It's how I keep saying I wanna get the Oscar, which
इंशाल्लाह.
which I will. Not वही वाली बात है, गरीबी बेच के ज़मीन नोबेल लेके सबको. I wanna show us how we are and all of it.
होगा
And then,
हसान. When I look back 16 years 17 years back, I never imagined you where you are, but you must have imagined yourself,
no,
which
so
is
that's how
why.
my career. I was 16 years old when I said
Yeah.
I wanna be the best director of Pakistan. I wish I would have said it. I
I
wanna be the
remember you
best director
coming
of world.
into my dad's office.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
uh, at what, I don't know क्या age थी, we were teenagers maybe at that
हाँ
time.
हाँ, ऐसे ही कुछ होगा.
तुम
Yeah.
उस वक्त बिल्कुल आ रहे थे, एडवाइस लेने आए थे, क्या करने आए थे?
No,
I
I'll
don't
tell you
know.
so what he did. It's such a very good story, which I keep telling it to everybody. So I left Ambiance Films, and then I was like, I want to do my own work because I felt that this is time, which was not the time.
Hmm.
And Asadullah was telling me also that you still have few years to become a director,
Hmm.
and I was just too eager, and then I was too कि नहीं मैं मुझे बनना है director, अभी से assistant director से direct. So okay, and then I came to meet Ahmed Uncle. I'll say Ahmed Uncle. I call him. He hates it, by the way. So I came to see him, and he goes like, मैंने कहा I need work, and then so he goes like, what's your work? क्या काम किया तुमने आज तक? मैंने कहा nothing. I've done just the work as assistant director. I have no work. That's sure. कंपनी है तुम्हारी? मैंने कहा नहीं, कंपनी भी नहीं है. एंड आई एम गेटिंग ना लाइक डाउनर, इट्स लाइक क्या मतलब किस तरह से. तो मैंने कहा कंपनी में, तो चेक किसके नाम पे आएगा? चेक तुम्हारे नाम पे देंगे, बिकॉज उस वक्त इट यूज टू बी कंपनी ओरिएंटेड एंड एवरीथिंग. And then that's where I think it's a very big thing of in my career, where Ahmed Kapadia's that meeting made me open up 1080 Films,
Hmm.
my own company, which I've opened up after meeting him. and I was like, okay, I need to open up my company. And it was a very short meeting in which he told me कि ये चीज़ें करनी है, and it was just, people who have experience and smart people, they just question you. It's up to you if you get it or not.
That's true.
And I understood कि अच्छा जी, I need to make little bit of my work, open up my own company, learned how to manage a company. That's where it all started. And I was the youngest. I was a 21-year-old who opened up a production house. I'm 34 now. It's been so many years, and that all happened meeting your father.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's a story which I think I've told him or not. I'm not so sure.
भूल भी गए होंगे वो.
मुझे भी याद नहीं, मैंने बताई नहीं बताई. So but it's such a fast paced industry. You're so much ahead working, and that's how it is. And he has made the industry, so many people who are doing big names in the industry learn from Ahmed Kapadia.
That's true.
Many big names
सही बात है.
which are
वो
there.
अलग बात है कि एज यू से लोग उस बात को बहुत सारे तो लोग खैर एक्सेप्ट भी करते हैं लेकिन बहुत सारे
It's a way hypocrites.
हाँ.
The many hypocrites are, see, no matter what relationship between your mentor and you have, the credit you cannot take away. It needs to be there.
Okay, Hassan, this brings us to the end of the show. A message that you would like to give to upcoming directors, assistant directors जो बनना चाहते हैं. We do have young talent in our country. It's just that as हमने जो बहुत सारी बातें की उसमें यही हमने बात की कि लोगों की capabilities को सही utilize नहीं किया जाता.
That is very true. That is very true. No, I feel, I think the time is getting much more difficult and difficult in terms of anybody who is coming to the industry, or because in my time the digital era came. It wasn't there before, so it takes an impact on little bit on your career. Then digital boom, then the AI is coming now. AI is coming at very rapid speed. I think 2 years or 3 years, I predict it would start taking over as well. The only thing which could make you different and which could make you good, and that's for everybody who's coming up, new ones or the older ones, anybody, is how original you are, and how much you want it, and how much you want to go for it, and how much you have manifested. How I said earlier also, I said it when I was 16 years old. I wanted to be the best director of Pakistan. That was after like 14 we met, and 16 I said I wanted to be the best director of Pakistan. I wish I would have said it, I wanted to be the best director of the world. So I probably would have manifested it much more. So you have to believe yourself, because when you would believe कि you are the best, everybody else would. That's how I think I have made my career. Rock solid होना चाहिए to what you are. जहाँ ऑल्सो वो द यंग वंस यू वर सेइंग ना कि हिपोक्रेट ना बनना बस. ये इंडस्ट्री तुम्हें हिपोक्रेट बनाने की पूरी कोशिश करेगी, इतनी कोशिश करेगी कि ब्रिक पे ले आएगी कि हिपोक्रेट बनो. बट द मोमेंट इफ यू बिकम अ हिपोक्रेट you'll fall down to mediocrity then.
Yeah.
That's where the industry has won
जो
them to
अनफॉर्चुनेटली हो
your
रहा है हमारी इंडस्ट्री बहुत ज़्यादा मैं
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा देखने लगी
It
हूँ
has
कि
it has become insane though. I'm trying to fix it. I'm standing up to a lot of things. People
please
hate
do
me for
and
that.
of course we are with you
Uh,
because the campaigns that we see, the ads that we see, the films that we see.
it's all on the fact of KR, and also why I'm standing up to a lot of things also is just for the younger ones,
Yeah.
because there's so many look up to me, and I know for the fact if they do, and if I'm not standing up to exploitation at the moment, they would get exploited as
Yeah.
well, because that cannot happen. So if I am standing up to let's just say incompetency, exploitation, or things like that, so it would make a chain effect.
Of course.
It would help out the younger ones
Of
also.
course, that's how it is. You
There
set a
was
bar.
yeah, there was this Insta pe somebody messaged me seeing the podcast which I did last time, and then this kid was saying ke, it helped me out to how I'm trying to make it
Yeah.
to what you say. So it's good. So if this podcast and somebody sees it, or any other podcast, एक दो को पता चलता है या तीन को पता चलता है, it helps them out to become a better person. It's a good thing. So that's why I come to podcast. There was this thing I was telling this to yesterday somebody, that life will try to make you lose your soul, but it is up to you if you're losing it or not. Cause कहीं ना कहीं वो आजमाइश के लिए आए हुए हम लोग सारे यहाँ पे भूल जाते हैं.
हाँ, ऑफ कोर्स आज़माइश ही है, सब कुछ इज़
आजमाइश,
एवरीथिंग इज़
and
अ
आजमाइश
टेस्ट।
is what it is, where do you lose your soul?
या
So it could be in anything, and then that depends ke if you're losing it or not. And I see so many वो बेचारे बस वो
डिरेल हो जाते हैं
derail हो जाते हैं.
असल चीज़ से। या
They shouldn't.
अच्छा आता है स्क्रीन के आगे बैठ के बात करने में अपने बारे में, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? सम पीपल, लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि उनको लोग बुलाएं, वो अपने बारे में बात करें, बट तुम्हें, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि तुम्हें नहीं ज़्यादा मज़ा नहीं आता। यहाँ तो तुम्हारे पास चॉइस नहीं थी, यू हैड टू कम, यू
No,
हैड नो
if
चॉइस।
you would have called me, I would still be there for anything you would ask me, and I would be there in instant. Uh, no, I never liked being, since I started doing ads, so I didn't like being in front of the camera. I used to be before, but now I think I need to be. I should be telling my side of the story, just because of once you reach somewhere, also people start to pull you down,
या
and then that's where it starts to get misinformation badi shuru ho jati hai. So I feel now I'm just being vocal about a lot of things. Let's just say
डायरेक्ट।
I think it's important now, in this time especially, okay, when people, when they try to pull you down, so then you come more upfront. Now talk to me.
अब बात करो।
हाँ, अब बात करो ना, say it on my face. Nobody says it on my face, they all say it on my back.
बैक या दैट्स
uh,
जेन्युइन लोगों के साथ एक ये
yeah,
बहुत
and
बड़ी।
all the people who say it also, it's so stupid, and I find it so stupid. They all talk about my at my back, and they don't talk about the incompetency, the unprofessionalism. They won't talk about that. So
क्यों
it's like
करेंगे?
I know for the fact मेरे पीछे बड़े लोगों ने बॉन्डिंग की है. वो नहीं होता है कि आप
रियली?
किसी बुराई करते हो तो ज़्यादा बॉन्डिंग होती है दो लोगों की,
हाँ, ऑब्वियसली।
right? So the burai is the biggest bonding.
द गॉसिप इज द मेन,
Is the main
क्या कहेंगे उसको,
conversation to people.
बिटवीन टू
So
पीपल,
yeah,
दैट
a
ब्रिंग्स
lot
देम
of
टुगेदर।
people in the industry have bonded over me, कि जी, yeah, they
है
did
ना?
not talk about
हसन,
they both were
आई
incompetent.
शुडंट बी
हाँ,
शॉक्ड, मैं शॉक नहीं हूँ,
yeah,
लेकिन ऑब्वियसली मुझे ये बात करनी है। एंड मेरी नज़र में सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है, यू आर अ वंडरफुल पर्सन, यू आर हार्ड वर्किंग, बिकॉज मैंने तुम्हें ट्रांजिशन तुम्हारा
yeah,
देखा है सारा,
yeah,
सही है,
yeah.
वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ। तो बचा क्या कि आप किसी के बारे में बुराई करोगे? एक ही चीज़, एक चीज़,
Integrity, the integrity,
इंटेग्रिटी
yeah,
एंड मेहनत।
हाँ,
डायरेक्शन है ना, पता है कहाँ जाना है,
हाँ, यही होता है.
और लोगों के पास वो डायरेक्शन नहीं होता, तो दैट्स व्हाई दे पुल यू डाउन।
हाँ, that's what they're doing. It's
क्योंकि
like worldly thing though. When you go up, that's where they start to pull you down. That's up to you how you come back up. That's like every story in the world who has done good, and I've done nothing. I still feel that I've done nothing. थोड़े से बहुत ऐड बना लिए, एक दो hit हो गए, but I still
बहुत
have to
काम
do.
करना है अभी।
Yeah, I still
Yeah.
have to make my films. I still have to get Oscar. So I'm working on that. I hope I get to do it.
इंशाल्लाह यू विल, यू रियली
I'm
विल।
finding a way to make my 3 films.
व्हेन देयर इज अ
Uh,
विल,
I'm
देयर इज अ वे।
yeah, like a Italian Job जो मूवी थी.
ओके,
So
हाँ
I'm
हाँ,
finding people right now
ओके,
कि यार ये लोग होने चाहिए, बड़े एक दो
की
मिले
पीपल,
हैं.
हाँ,
बहुत सारे नहीं मिले. Yeah, it's your people, right? It's
या
your team,
100%
how
इट्स
you
योर टीम।
make it. And I have few, and we were thinking on that कि how to go about it. The moment my Italian Job team is just compiled, that's where the 3 movies would just come out. That's my next step. आई थिंक कमर्शियल इंडस्ट्री जो है ना, सारे हम लोग जो है ना 2-2 करोड़ 6-6 करोड़ मैक्स 8 करोड़ के ऐड बन जाते हैं. दैट्स नथिंग, दैट्स पीनट्स. नोबडी इज़ थिंकिंग ऑन 1000 करोड़ 2000 करोड़. हॉलीवुड इज़ मेकिंग बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स ऑफ मूवीज़. वो भी बना रहे हैं उधर साइड वाले भी. तो हम लोग कहाँ, हम लोग सिर्फ सोच रहे हैं जी 6 करोड़ का कमर्शियल बनाना है, 3 करोड़ का कमर्शियल बनाना है, उसमें भी पैसे वो बोलते हैं कि जी इतने नहीं हैं.
छोटी सोच।
Yeah, it's that biggest problem. My biggest problem to the industry is कि why you just thinking 5
सोच।
करोड़ 6 करोड़ 8 करोड़, let's just go 1000 करोड़ 2000 करोड़, which is let's compete with the world. Why are you competing with just peanuts?
हाँ,
तो
मतलब ये at the end of it, I will only say I know how ambitious you are, and
yeah,
people around you also know how ambitious you are. The
I
industry knows
I would make a movie which would do 1,000 crore, 2,000 crore,
आराम से.
3,000 crore. Yeah,
Yeah,
it should 100 crore Maula Jet did, right? So we should do
yeah.
much more
Maula Jet
than
has
that.
वैसे set a real
Because
bar.
see, I Bilal Shari, I'm such a big fan. Why it takes 10 years for him to make a movie is because he does everything by himself.
Hmm. Hmm.
From edit to, he's like a one-man army.
Yeah.
But it shows also. That's why I did 100 crores, because he's doing everything. So that's the aim. Let's see how
तो उसने इंडस्ट्री में एक ना वो सेट कर दिया बार. अब उससे आगे जाना है.
हाँ, कोई आए ना जी, उसने 100 करोड़ की मूवी बना ली तो और कहाँ हैं? पाकिस्तान
नहीं है
में
ना.
कितने कितने
हाँ.
अवाम हैं, ठीक है, सारे हैं इंडस्ट्री में जो भी हैं.
Yeah.
जब एक इंसान ने 100 करोड़ की मूवी बनाई है, तो व्हाई नोबडी इज थिंकिंग कि जी दिस इज अ बिजनेस आल्सो एंड वी कैन मेक इट.
Yeah.
So that's the aim. Hopefully I make a 1,000 crore 2,000 crore की फिल्म.
तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स बताना चाहोगे अभी कि वेरी
Yeah,
दूर से
it's
ओवरव्यू.
no, one film is about how the future of Pakistan is, and it's a very interesting story. It's like a mind of Tim Burton, or
Okay.
Michael Bay is directing,
Yeah.
anybody. So it's from the mind of Hassan Dabar, how I
Yeah.
see Pakistan, and it's an interesting story. And a few more other projects also. A lot of things I'm planning. So it's just on the fact of कि how they start to go in a spiral, and it's एक हवा की तरह शुरू हो
Yeah.
जाए. So that's the main goal in life.
I'm very excited and I really hope, I wish you all the best कि ये मूवीज जल्दी आपकी क्या कहेंगे उनको
Materialized and get
materialize हो
realized. Yeah.
जाएं.
Yeah.
And yeah, I think that just brings us to an end to our podcast. Thank you to all my viewers for joining in today. A bigger thank you to Hassan for joining us today and sharing an insightful journey. He's a close friend of mine. बड़े director बन गए हैं ये हमारी industry के. I wish him all the very best in the future. To all my viewers, thank you so much for joining in, and stay tuned for more updates on What's Up with Very Filmy. Thank you. Bye.